AI Explained X. Let's dive in. This ain't no brain, see? But get this. It learns. It decides. It's the juice behind every AI you know. So, what do you think a neural network is? AI can recognize faces, translate languages, even write poetry, if you can believe it. But how, I ask you? It doesn't exactly see or read like we do, does it? It finds patterns hidden in the very fabric of the data. And the tool that makes it all possible, the thing that truly matters, the neural network, of course. A neural network, you see, is a computer system inspired by the human brain. Not because it thinks as we do, but because it's built upon the same core idea. Countless tiny connections, all working together to solve one big problem. In your brain, of course, they're called neurons. In AI, artificial neurons. And when they're stacked into layers, they form a neural network. Imagine you want an AI to recognize a cat. See, you show it a photograph. That image becomes data, millions of numbers representing pixels. This data enters the network through the input layer, like a front door, if you will. Then it flows into the hidden layers, the decision makers. Each artificial neuron asks a simple question. Is this part dark?
Or is it an edge?
Is there an edge here?
Or is it a
Could
pointy
this be an
shape?
ear, perhaps? Each neuron casts a tiny vote weighted by importance. Those votes travel deeper into the network, layer after layer, getting smarter, more complex, until finally, the output layer adds them all up and says, 94% chance this is a cat. But at first, the network, it's utterly clueless, you see? It guesses completely at random. So, we train it. We show it thousands of photos, meticulously labeled cat or not cat. And every time it's wrong, we adjust the weights, the tiny vote each neuron gets, ever so slight. This process is called backpropagation. Think of it like turning 1,000 little dials, one by one, fine-tuning them until the network starts getting things right, better and better and better. After enough training, it doesn't merely memorize pictures, no. It learns what makes a cat, pointy ears, whiskers, the way fur reflects light. Not from rules, mind you, from patterns, just as you did as a kid. Neural networks aren't just for cats, you know. They're simply everywhere these days. Self-driving motor cars employ them to spot pedestrians, signs, and other vehicles in real time. Doctors use them to detect tumors in X-rays faster, sometimes even more accurately than the human eye. ChatGPT uses a deeply layered neural network to predict the next word and the next, building entire essays, one guess at a time. Spam filters learn what junk mail looks like, so your inbox stays clean, with barely any effort. All from the same idea, simple neurons, working together, learning from data. But let's be clear, a neural network isn't a brain, you see? It doesn't understand a thing. It doesn't feel. Doesn't know what a cat is. It simply recognizes patterns from what it's seen before. Show it something it's never seen, something completely outside its training, it can get things spectacularly wrong, you know? That's why AI sometimes hallucinates. It guesses with total confidence and still gets it wrong. Neural networks are powerful, but they're only as good as the data they're trained on and the people who build them. So, now you know, a neural network isn't magic. It's math. It's code. It's a digital echo of how our brains might operate. But understanding it, that's the first step to mastering the AI age. Because the future won't be run by AI alone. It'll be shaped by people who understand AI. If you found this helpful, do hit that like button and subscribe for more lucid explanations each and every week. Up next, we shall dive headlong into the altogether unsettling world of AI voice cloning and consider how someone could clone your very own voice today. Thank you for watching. Stay curious. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, y'all. If you're at all curious about the future of AI, then go on and hit subscribe and let's explore it 1x at a time.